Hey friends, this is our own YouTube channel Tech to It. So friends, today we are going to see types of solar system, what is different between them, which one is suitable for you, and many things related to it. So let's begin it. Basically, there are three types of solar system. First, on-grid solar system, second, off-grid solar system, and last one is hybrid solar system. So friends, now let us see on-grid solar system. In this type of solar system, we are exchanging our electricity with government. For example, some more electric energy which is generated through solar panel, that energy we can sell to government, and in night time there is no solar generation, so at that time we can take electricity from government. There are three main components in this solar system. First, solar panel which converts sun rays to electrical energy. Second is inverter, which is very useful part of solar system. Its job is to convert DC solar energy into AC energy, because our home appliances only work on AC supply. And last, most important part is net meter, which can run in both direction. Means when we take electricity from government, this meter run in forward direction, and when we sell our electricity to government, this meter run in backward direction. So friends, in this way on-grid system work, and by using on-grid system we can reduce our electricity bill. Or if you install high capacity on-grid solar system, then you can also earn very good money by selling your extra solar energy to government. So friends, now let us see off-grid solar system. Basically, this type of solar system is fully independent. Means in this type of solar system there is no contact with government electricity. And in night time or in cloudy weather time, electricity is provided by battery backup. Basically, in this solar system, solar panel generate electricity in daytime, and with the help of solar inverter and charge controller, we can run our all equipment and charge our battery simultaneously. And in this type of solar system, we did not need to buy any electricity from government. And in this way, off-grid solar system reduce your bill to completely zero. So friends, now let us see last one, hybrid solar system. This solar system is combination of on-grid and off-grid solar system. Basically, in this type of solar system, there are four main components. First, solar panel. Second, net meter. Third, battery for backup. And fourth, solar inverter or hybrid inverter. This hybrid inverter helps us to connect grid, battery and our home appliances simultaneously. Means in this type of solar system, we can exchange our electricity with government through net meter and also keep a backup of electricity with the help of battery. And friends, most important in hybrid solar system is you can also earn a good money by selling electricity to government, and your electricity bill will be completely zero. And in a case of power failure, there is a battery backup system which is provided only in off-grid solar system and hybrid solar system. Hope friends, you have enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite solar system in comment box. Thanks friends for watching this video, and subscribe my channel to learn something new about or some practical knowledge about electrical and electronic engineering and robotics.